Hello my lovelies, it's your girl Shweta. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the first ever product review video of mine. Before I proceed further, please click on the bell icon and subscribe to my channel so that you get notified of all the fabulous videos that I'm going to post on my channel. So without further ado, let me further reveal which product I'm going to review today. So it is this charcoal bubble sheet mask. Okay, so this mask actually forced me to make a review. Okay, so I've used just one time before, and I've used the other mask, which was the Aquaholic mask from Sugar itself. I'm going to review that also. I just ordered one of them, so that was also amazing. Okay, so I'm doing the review for this mask face sheet is because all other masks, they claim to just hydrate, nourish or moisturize your skin, but this mask, my friend, claims that this is going to clean your skin, make it blemish less, reduce the blemishes, and clean the bacteria out of your skin and purify your skin. So I'm here to test if what Sugar is claiming is true or not. Before starting the video, let's give a big shout out to the packaging of this face sheet mask. That is just absolutely bomb. It just looks amazing. The mask itself talks about the components कि इसमें क्या क्या है. So the first thing is it has charcoal sheet, which talks about sebum control, exfoliates dead skin. So that is another claim of this mask कि ये dead skin को हटाता है. And then it has green tea extract, which is rich antioxidant. The whole world knows it. But it also says prevents UV damage. I have no way to test that. Can't say anything about it. Grapefruit extract. It says it detoxifies and brightens and increases skin pH. Again, no means to test that, my friend. Yeah, so the front part of this package talks about what are the ingredients. The back part tells exactly what we can expect out of this face sheet mask. So it says it's gonna oxygenate, detoxify. I'll be absolutely okay even if it does like half of the things that it's claiming it here. Yes, and it also talks about the components, the ingredients of this mask. So it says it's got lavender chamomile. It's rich in tea tree. Tea tree is my favorite bomb. Good for my type of skin. I have acne prone skin. So it is absolutely amazing for me. It has some natural flower extract and it has got aloe vera. It also talks about, yeah, so the back side of the sheet also talks about how to use this mask. Yeah, that I'm going to show. Yeah, the demo will follow. Right. So more or less, yes, the best part about this mask, which I absolutely love, it says it's paraben free. Oh, that's nice. And yes, so I've been sucker for it completely. I want my shampoos, everything without paraben and sulfate. If this mask claims that it does not have paraben and it is here to clean my skin, remove the blemishes and the bacteria, I am up for it. So without further ado, let's get started. But before that, don't forget to hit the bell icon on this channel so that you get the notification to get all videos, bomb videos on my channel. So, and do subscribe on my channel as well, guys. Show some love. Alright, and so yeah, so this is as well. Okay, so it talks about, so the mask basically talks about you just need to cleanse your skin with any cleanser and basically apply a toner. So I have applied the toner that I use, the Fab India Tea Tree toner, and but you need to check if your toner actually opens your pores or just closes them. So yeah, so this is how the mask looks, the white sheet and the black sheet. So I have to take out the black sheet and apply it on my skin. So I have no makeup on my skin and just lip balm, and I'm going to place it on my face. The only bad thing which I feel about this mask is that there's a lot of residue which has been left here and on the packet as well. So that's, and I really don't know how to use it. So yes, that's how I have basically applied the mask, and I'm going to keep it for 15-20 minutes and I'm going to be back. So keep watching. Hello my lovelies, I am back after 20 minutes and this is how the whole mask looks like. It has bubbled up like crazy. So I'm going to take it off अभी, and ऐसे कहते हैं कि जो भी इसका रेसिडुअल है वो आपको अपनी स्किन पे वापस लगा लेना है. That's what I'm trying to do. Extremely tight and cleanse तो पता नहीं, अभी देखना पड़ेगा, but it feels tight. So I had no makeup on, just I had cleansed my skin with my face wash and I had applied the toner as guided by these people, and yeah, so you have to actually ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा फोम हो गया. Alright, so I'm back and this is how my skin actually looks. It just feels amazing. It feels clean. I can see the glow on my face. The only minus point which I feel is my skin feels a bit dry, but then that's because of the charcoal, because of its natural cleansing tendency. It sucks out the dirt and particles. The packet also claimed that it cleanses the makeup product, the residue of your makeup product. I did not have any makeup, so I can't comprehend on that. But then this is how it feels. I feel that this is a very good deal. It's night, so I'm going to probably apply my night cream and sleep, but then you can try this mask if you're going out before makeup, and आप जा सकते हो बाहर. It just, I feel so clean. This is my second time that I've used this mask, so somehow I know. If I have to rate this mask, I'll give it like 4 out of 5. It said a lot of things on the packet. The smell was amazing. The packaging was great. जब आप वो मास्क लगा के लेटे होते हो, you can actually feel the bubbles against your skin and you can feel it cleansing your skin. And if for 149 rupees, I understand it's a bit expensive, but then for a face sheet mask which will give you a glow like this, it is worth. So अगर आप जाके normal cleanup भी कराते हो salon से, so it costs you around like 500 to 1500 depending on the type of cleanup. But then I think this is worth. If you'll ask me if I'll try it again, absolutely, definitely I'll try it again, because it just helped my skin to feel lively again. It is very travel friendly. अगर आपको कहीं बाहर जाना है and you cannot go to the salon to get a facial thing done, so obviously आप ये करा सकते हो. All in all, yes, I'll recommend this. It is amazing. I've recently fallen in love with all sugar products. They're just amazing, so I had to do this trial. If you want more reviews on the face shield mask, or if you have any other suggestions, uh, please do give a thumbs up to this video. Hit the bell button, subscribe, like, share this video. Uh, yeah, so that is all it is, and thank you for watching this video, lovelies. A big puchi. Bye.